So when you fall off your E20, the wheel, it's not supposed to spin. It's safe. This is why it's safe for your kids. Other wheels, when they fall off, the wheel spins crazy. It could catch your leg, it could catch a t-shirt. There's a lot of safety built into this from Inmotion. Just quickly pick it up. It's not balancing right now because it knows that it's fallen over. Just hit it twice. Now it's back in business.
Welcome back to Scooter Gang, guys. As you know, I do ride a lot of electric scooters, but Inmotion is also an electric unicycle brand. Electric unicycling is something that takes a lot more skills and a lot more guts than riding an electric scooter. But luckily for me, we have a local electric unicycle rider here who's pretty skilled and also has his own channel. And I've decided that I want to collaborate with him to help give you guys an idea about Inmotion's electric unicycles. His opinion on these is valuable. Without any further ado, I want to welcome Paulie to Scooter Gang. You can find his channel below, Paul E Wheels. I'll link it. Today we have a beginner wheel. See? It has two wheels. It's not a true electric unicycle that usually have one wheel, but it's a beginner wheel. How can it handle a 220-pound rider who's pretty experienced? A top speed and acceleration test and a hill test today, and we'll see how this thing compares and if it can carry a full-grown 220-pound adult.
All right, what's up, Scooter Gang? I'm the owner of a Inmotion V12 high torque. It's really changed my life. It's gotten me outside, getting me eating better, more energy, sun on my face, feeling amazing. That's what this electric life is about, is just being with loved ones, riding with my girlfriend with the scooter. She rides right behind me, whether we're in the woods or on the street. So today we're out here with the Inmotion E20. This is just the beginner wheel. This will get you going. If you want to find out more about electric unicycles, I've started a brand new YouTube channel. We ride on the street, we ride on the woods. I feature the V11, V12, and V13. Go check me out, Paul E Wheels. Electric is the future, and the future is now. So at first it's a little weird getting used to. Feels like a truck because of the two wheels, but beginners, they need that. You need to be able to do this right here. This beginning stuff right here took me 4 hours to learn on other EUCs. Like, I wish I had this when I started. This is what I needed. I'm still getting this, because I'm gonna learn skills on this that I can't do. I can't ride backwards, period. There's pros that can't ride backwards yet. So here's the real world, let's try it. I've never ridden backwards on an EUC. Now when you go to turn, it's weird because you gotta get up on that one tire. But once you get used to it, wow, is this real? Never been backwards ever on an EUC. What's up? Whew. And that's why I need this as a pro. This is gonna improve my skills. I could easily get friends, family, loved ones into this now. My passion, electric unicycles, everybody's too scared of it. Not now. Thank you, Inmotion. So when you get up on that one wheel, that's when the trickiness happens. But for me to be able to go backwards right there, holy shit, YouTube, what's up? I've practiced this for more hours than I can remember. And when my friends see this, they're gonna know. They're gonna know they need to buy this. This is what's up. Now, who's this for? Maybe a kid? My kid, maybe? I would be Santa Claus if I brought this home to my kid. He sees me ride my EUC and he loves it. But there's no way I'm gonna let him on my close to 40 miles an hour Inmotion V12 high torque. I thought I was gonna hate this thing. You get on it, it feels like a truck. But now it's only been, I don't know, 4 minutes. They advertise on the website like, oh, 3 minutes you can learn. I believe that. Look at that, up on the one wheel, full circle. When you're on the wheel, this feels more like my regular EUC now. Hitting bumps nicely. Got a little bit of tilt back. You gotta be careful as an experienced EUC rider not to overpower this thing. Now, I'm getting mad beeps. That's your warning. That's, hey, slow down. The max might be 13, but 11 is real cool. All right, let's go. It's a pretty big hill. So I'm getting some pedal tilt back because I've been kicking too far, but here we go. I'm on the way to work. I'm riding this thing. The Inmotion E20, new commuter wheel. Is it gonna get you across town? No. get me to my girlfriend's house. Now, to make it up this hill, I don't know how these fisheye lenses look. If you could see how big, I didn't think we were gonna make it up here. Now, I could just go slower. Why is it beeping the whole time, Polly? Well, it's because I'm overpowering it. I'm learning this thing. Now we're here. This is comfortable cruising speed. We're doing 9, 10 miles an hour. You roll right here, you're not gonna get a beep. Just slow it back down. Going a little too fast. All right, let's see this. Can we go on the grass? Yeah, we can go on the grass. Can we go off the curb? Yeah. I could stop, I could get out of the way. No problem. Yeah, this will get me right over to the mall. Right to Buffalo Wild Wings. I don't have to walk. And the best part about it is that when we get to the store, I can take this inside. It has a trolley handle. Whew. You flip this up, oh. People don't bother you. Let's say they cared. Throw it in the shopping cart. Here we go, look at this. Now, okay, I'm a big guy, but are you gonna say I can't carry this into the restaurant? You're gonna say I can't go put this under the table? Stop it. I'll put it in my backpack. Turn, I didn't even get on the one tire. I'm learning quickly to just take a wider turn than I'm used to on my regular unicycle. I'm doing 9, 10 miles an hour comfortably. Oh, I think we gotta go under there. Oh, we just lost Scooter Gang. Oh, look at that, in the grass. This thing is capable, dude. I'm just at its weight. Let's talk about, I weigh 220 pounds. This machine's max is 220. Say it's not capable, look. I cannot do this on my electric unicycle. Stop, ride backwards, are you crazy? Oh, dude. Let's go. Now, when you buy this thing, you're not gonna be hitting the beeps like that. You're gonna be going slow. And that's what you need. This thing is designed just so you could get used to going forward. Getting used to this speed is hard. I got no problem riding in the street. This is essential right here. If you don't have this, get one. Amazon. What if I get hit by a car? Will that go viral? Yeah, look at this. We're getting across town. I just can't wait to practice. I can't wait to get in the parking lot and go backwards. Woo! You hear that, people? I went backwards immediately. First time on EUC as an expert. Well, no, that's true. I should be able to go a little faster. See, at 10, I'm not even getting one beep yet. Oh, there's a tilt back. Now, a lot of people talk bad about tilt back, and those are the scooter riders. They don't understand how this thing is built and all the safety features that are in this. And I've seen comments, people say, well, you shouldn't be moving the pedals when I'm trying to ride it. No, that's your last warning. When you get tilt back, that's telling you that's the end of me. My battery is being too low, you're pushing it too hard. See, on the hill, no beeps, because I was getting that regen, full power. See, I didn't even go onto the one tire there. I thought the whole time I needed to jump up onto that one tire, but it just takes a little getting used to. And I still can't do the pendulum, so we'll try that next time we stop here. Inmotion did a good job. They hooked us up. Products like this is what really makes the market. If you don't make beginner electric scooters, if you don't make beginner e-skates, beginner e-bikes, if you don't make a baby Suron, not everybody has $4,000 for a wheel, $2,000. This thing is $320. I'll have to say it again. Inmotion E20, $320 on Black Friday right now. Order 2 of them. You and your wife will have a blast. All right, let's try the pendulum here. But I've not been able to do this on my wheel, on my V12. I can't pull up to the red light and stop. Look at this. I can't do that. When I pull up, I have to go over here and hold the, here. Yeah, this is how I stop.
Stop on me now, stop.
I can get right on this thing and do the pendulum. Look at this, right away. So I've learned skills on this that I haven't learned in 1,000 miles on a V12. Free as a bird. If you're just tuning in, YouTube, I'm Paul E-Wheels. Black and gold, baby. Here we go. Let's get these good reactions. Everybody loves this thing. Hey! You want to try? All right. Just point with your belly button. That's how you steer on this thing. Where you want to go, just point your belly button and you're going. Just need to go in here and get me an energy drink. So, just chill out. Flip these handles out of the way. And we're off. We are in trolley mode. Let's go. This is what's nice about it. We're not bothering nobody. We're able to just walk right here through the grocery store, get what we want. I'm gonna need help finding it. At my Hy-Vee, it's right there. All right, so when you let go of this thing, you gotta make sure it's not just gonna roll away. You gotta be on flat ground. Put it right there in your foot. Everybody knows what we're getting. Ginger aid. Ooh, backwards it walks easy too. This is nice in the store. What's up, man? Electric unicycle. Yeah, this is a beginner model. It's Inmotion's E20. See how it stands by itself? It's got 2 wheels on it. You want to try it? No, you won't, and that's what's key. See, look at the 2 wheels, you're not gonna fall. Oh yeah, you wanna try? Come on, please. It's an electric unicycle. This is a beginner model so that you can easily learn. Nope, it's, have you ever rid one of those hoverboards back in the day? Yeah. It's all about tilt. So there's 2 tiny tires under here that are balancing it right now. And yeah, you just flip these pedals down, drop this, and I'm off. Yeah, we rode here. I think the range on this is 15?
10 maybe.
10 miles?
I totally want to see you start going up.
Okay.
You want to be in a video?
No.
You can try that or this.
I would die. I would probably kill myself.
So that's what I got to explain. This is a beginner model. Regular ones don't do that and they have 1 tire. This has 2 tiny little skinny tires under it. So this is the beginner model. This is how you learn. And you just grab the railing here.
Oh.
And just simply get right up on it. It's going to kind of dig into your shin a little bit, but now we're just going. And it's just lean forward with your head a little. And that's it. Hi. I'll follow you.
Yeah, that's good.
Do I gotta go to the window? May I please just have a straw? Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. I'm trying to have some kombucha and I need to be able to ride, get into my helmet. Have a good day.
Yeah, just want to let you know, next time you come through, you gotta be in a vehicle. They just don't want you to get like injured by another vehicle or anything.
All right, give me some. Thanks, man. Injured by another vehicle, huh? Give me hands free, people. I can still hold this camera. Rubbernecking. Did you see that lady in the blue car was rubbernecking the hell out of me in the blue Ford Taurus? Hey, we're partying over here. This pendulum, I'm not kidding, I'm excited about this. I can't do this on my wheel, man. Yeah, I'm over here doing this right here. Or you just gotta get off of it here. Let's do that hill test. All right, we'll pop up onto that one wheel. Nice. See, once you get up there, it's fine. I can stay on it. It's just that weird part about getting off the 2 wheels and onto the 1. But beginners need that. I fell so many times learning on my regular wheel. All right, let me tell you why you need to buy this thing. Buy this for your wife. Buy this for your kid. Surons are expensive. E-bikes are $4 grand. I'll tell you how we got started. Of course, Paulie wanted a Suron. You probably want a Suron. I don't have $5 grand. If I did, I would buy a motorcycle that I can put license plates, insurance, and drive it around on the street. And it's not just an off-road toy that the police can come and impound. You get caught on your Suron, if the cop wants to be a dick to you, impound it. I caught the bug on the electric scooter. Hello. Probably like many of you got started on an electric scooter. 3 years ago, that's how I got going. My girlfriend and I would take electric scooters out every night and roll the city. In Iowa, electric scooters are allowed on the road. Call your sheriff's station, ask him. Oh, I might have just killed a caterpillar. Hey, did you fake that crawdad video?
No.
Dude, I told my girlfriend up and down, I said, that's bullshit. He went and got that. Well, we're going uphill a little here. And this is comfortable cruising speed. I can make it to the store. I can make it to work. Look at this, hands-free, small, throw 2 of them in the trunk of your car. Oh, it's a nice hill here, okay, this would be good. Oh, this is a big hill. Okay, so the pedal tilt back is telling you it's getting a little overpowered, so it's tilting you back. It's good. It's saying, hey, slow down, so we're probably getting low on battery here. We'll go up this hill. We'll try with no beeps, nice and slow. All right, this will get you outside. This gets you off the couch. Okay, okay. Nope, nope, nope. Battery too low. I don't know if this, oh yeah. Hopefully you can see this giant hill. So for a 220-pound rider, that of which I am, that was a ridiculous hill to try to ask this small machine to get up. For $320. On a full battery, we would have made it. All right, kombucha gone. Back to why you need this wheel. Because you're gonna be the coolest kid ever, anywhere. Have you even seen this? When I drive around, I'm getting rubbernecked all the time. This is just good trail riding. I love being out here in the fall colors. Hi, I'm from the future. And the future is now. I don't know if that's funny or not, dude. I was just trying to get something. Feels good over there, bro. All right, watch out for that. I'm telling you, women love it, dude. Eva! Eva!
Eva!
All right, so we're getting beeps because the battery's low and I keep pushing it. I'm an experienced EUC rider and I want more out of this, but this is a practice wheel. So if you're an experienced rider, this is why you need to buy it. Because everybody's scared to ride it. You might be a hard ass. You might have no problem jumping on an EUC, catching some bruises, a broken bone. Chooch Tech broke his whole ankle, I think more than once, and he's still riding. This is the missing link. That's what everybody says in all their other reviews. Is this the missing link? Is this the... At $320, this is a toy. Buy 2 of these, they're gonna change your life. So this is for beginners to learn, but it's also for experts to learn. This is the #1 learning wheel. You're not gonna jump on it and go hella crazy and tip on it like I did. Another motorcycle. That must be a Uber, huh? So look, I just bent a little bit, point my belly button this direction, and we turn. The girl's waving everywhere. So I must be really low on battery now. I'm Paul E-Wheels. Electric is the future and the future is now. Boom. Let's go.